The room is moving. Something is wrong. Oh. I feel bad. I need to sit down.
Mom? Are you okay? Not now, Mom. I will call you after this meeting.
Aiden, I fell. I can't stand up.
Stay right there, Mom. I am calling for help. Then I am coming to you.
Marcus, please. I don't feel well. I think I fell.
She probably just wants to talk. I will visit after work.
Excuse me, which room is Grace Bennett in? I am her son.
She is in room 302. She is okay now. Her blood pressure was low. You came here very fast.
Mom, I am here. I am not leaving.
You came so fast. I wasn't sure you would even hear your phone.
Work can wait. This cannot.
Nobody is answering. I don't know what to do. Please. Somebody answer.
3 calls? That is not like her. Mom? Mom, please answer.
I can hear it ringing. I just can't reach it.
I am leaving right now. I should have left an hour ago. Thank you for staying, sweetheart. You didn't have to sit here all day.
Of course I stayed. There is no other place I want to be right now.
Mom. How long have you been down here?
About 1 hour, I think. I called you 3 times, Ben.
I saw the calls. I thought it could wait.
I am so sorry, Mom.
Let's check her right away. Follow me. Her blood pressure was low too, just like the other woman down the hall. She will be fine, but 1 hour alone on the floor was not safe.
1 hour. She was alone for 1 whole hour because I thought a meeting was more important.
You are here now. That matters too.
No, Mom. Now is not good enough. I need to answer every time you call.
Every single time.
Hard day for you too, definitely.
My mom fell. I didn't answer her call. I keep thinking about how different today could have been.
My mom fell too, actually. I dropped everything the second she called. I am just glad I answered. That is the real difference, isn't it? Not the emergency, just whether we answer the phone. You didn't have to bring me tea too. You have already done so much today. There is no such thing as too much, Mum.
Not for you.
You don't need to fix the pillow, Marcus.
I am okay.
Let me help. I have a lot of missed help to make up for. All right then, go ahead.
Everything looks good. You can go home this evening. I will give you some easy tips to stay safe.
I want to hear all of it. I am checking on her every single day now, no matter how busy work is.
She will be okay too. But please, don't let her wait alone like that again.
Never again. I am making her calls come first now. Even during meetings.
It feels good to be home. Thank you for staying with me all day.
I wasn't going anywhere, Mum. Now let's get you comfortable.
This is the most caring you have been in a long time, you know?
I know. And it is the last time you will say that. I promise, Mom.
There. Every day, same time. No excuses.
Every day, same time. I mean it this time.
You have always been like this, even as a little boy. Always checking on me.
I believe you, Marcus.
Just don't make me wait by the phone again.
How is your mom now?
Better. And honestly, so am I, after today. Thank you for the reminder, even if you didn't know you gave me one.
Maybe that is what today was for. For both of us, in different ways.
Tell me honestly, would you answer that call, even in a big meeting?
Every single time, Mom. Some calls are always worth answering.